Hi, I'm Craig.
And I'm Brad, and you don't have a clue how solar power can help you. How do we know that? Because we talk to homeowners day in and day out, and they just don't understand it. What we find is when they do understand it, when they actually understand it, they convert to solar.
Yeah, you might be wondering what types of things homeowners say. Look, they typically fear the same six objections. It's too expensive, too old, I might move, my bills aren't that bad, I'm just too busy, or I don't want to make my home hard to sell. Now, look, none of these are actually true. They're solar myths. That's what we call them. If you go to energyupsolar.com and hit the drop down, you can go to Solar Lies and learn more about each of these very common concerns. But there's something more. There's resistance to change. Look, all of us humans have resistance to change. I sure have it. I was in an industry for 13 years, and for the last 6, I knew I should get out of it. I knew it was a bad fit. I knew I should make a change, but I was scared to change, and I fought it for 6 years. Like, and the reason I bring this up is because when it comes to solar, what I believe is the fear of change, the resistance to change that actually creates these objections and concerns. I'm too old, I'm too busy, I might move, and all of these things. I think it's fear of change that creates those. Sometimes they're valid.
So, what does that mean for you? Listen, you came and visited our site. There is a ton of content, a ton of videos on our site. You can get educated for sure on our site with how solar can help you. The problem is you're going to be overwhelmed and your head is going to be spinning after you do that.
Yeah, below this video is a tab that says check my savings. If you click check my savings, you fill out a form, we'll contact you. We can either A, meet you in person, or B, do this over the phone where we give you a complimentary savings report on your home specific to your needs and your family. We help you better understand solar. Look, we're not sales guys. We're not going to give you any high pressure sales tactics. We're just going to give you clarity on how solar actually works.
So then what happens? Well, it's quite simple from there. You get solar installed, you start saving thousands and thousands of dollars. Seriously, not pretend money, real money. So let's go. Let's click this link and let's get this thing started.